Hello, Franklin High School, and welcome to the beginning of another educational week. Today, we are very happy to have with us Miss Catherine McCusker, who is a 2015 alumni of Franklin High School, as well as a Baltimore County Public Schools teacher at Towson High School. Welcome, Mrs. McCusker.
Thank you so much, Mr. Valentine. I'm very happy to be back at my alma mater. Today is the last day to apply for the United States Senate Youth Program. This program is an opportunity for 2 students from each state to attend a week-long government and leadership program in Washington, D.C. This program is open to juniors and seniors, and each participant receives a one-time $10,000 scholarship to pursue coursework in history and political science. If you are interested in this opportunity, please contact Ms. Stifler today.
That's awesome. And the freshman class is having a dine-out night on Wednesday at the Chick-fil-A directly across the street from school. You guys know where it is, which is where you would be having classes if schools were open. Let's hear it from a couple of our freshmen.
Hey, I'm Bryson.
And I'm Nicholas, and we're from the class of 2024. Come join us at Chick-fil-A across from Franklin.
This event will be held on Wednesday the 28th from 5 to 7.
And you can either do carry-out or pick-up.
Make sure to mention Franklin with your order.
Also on Wednesday, the Future Business Leaders of America, the FBLA, will have their first meeting of the year on Wednesday at 2:30. Contact Mr. Ampieri or Miss Lindley if you want more information. That is d.ampieri@bcps.org or mlindley@bcps.org. DIAMPIERI@bcps.org or MLINDLEY@bcps.org. There is a Google Meet code too. Again, this meeting is going to be for future leaders, and it will be held on Wednesday at 2:30 p.m.
All right. And as I mentioned on Friday, the yearbook staff has extended the deadline for submitting underclass photos. And the 100th student from each grade that submits a photo will get a free photo spread in this year's dial. Here's some more information from the yearbook staff.
Are you interested in making your debut in the Franklin High School yearbook? Well, you now can by submitting photos and answers to our many prompts in the Franklin High School webpage. You can access the Google Forms by going to franklinhs.bcps.org and then by going to News and Yearbook Information.
We also have some yearbook information specifically for seniors. Let's hear what seniors need to do if they want to be memorialized in the yearbook.
Attention seniors, if you're interested in having a senior quote or you want to vote for your senior superlatives, go to franklinhs.bcps.org. From there, go to News, What's New, and Yearbook Information. There you'll see the link and all the instructions for your quote and your votes. The deadline is November 30th with no extensions, so get on it.
And the Maryland General Assembly PAGE program application is now available. This year's program will be held virtually, but pages will get the opportunity to have online discussions with Maryland senators and delegates and participate online in legislative sessions and committee hearings. Seniors who are interested in being a page in the Maryland General Assembly should contact Ms. Stifler by this Thursday, October 30th, to get an application.
Advanced placement students need to register for their first semester exams by October 30th. More information can be found in the AP student group or by contacting Ms. Stifler for help.
Well, Ms. McCusker, Mrs. McCusker, that was fun. So that's all for today, Franklin. We'll see you soon. Have a great day.